The taste of summer, sweet, fresh, and full of life. But what if I told you you could keep it all year round? Today, I'll show you a simple, natural way to preserve fresh tomatoes for the winter. No fridge, no chemicals, just pure flavor, locked in a jar. First, wash your tomatoes thoroughly. Then, cut them in half and carefully remove the core. By the way, tell me in the comments from which country are you watching me. I'd love to know where my viewers are from. Make sure your jars are clean and sterilized. Add 1 clove of garlic to each jar. Then, add a few peppercorns. These spices will give the tomatoes a wonderful aroma and flavor. Arrange the tomatoes in the jars, but don't pack them too tightly. Leave enough space so that the water can completely cover them. Now, add 1 teaspoon of salt to each 720 milliliter jar. Then add 1 tablespoon of 9% vinegar. Fill the jars with clean water until the tomatoes are fully submerged. Wipe the rims of the jars to make sure they are clean. Seal them with sterilized lids. Place the jars into a deep pot. Pour water in until it reaches the height of the lids. Cover the pot and bring it to a gentle boil. From the moment the water boils, pasteurize the jars for 30 minutes at about 80 degrees Celsius. When the time is up, remove the pot from the heat. Let the jars cool slowly in the water. Once cooled, store them in a dark, cool place until you're ready to enjoy them. And that's it, fresh tomatoes, ready for winter, with no fridge and no chemicals. If you enjoyed this recipe, leave me a heart in the comments and give this video a like. Thank you, my dear friends.